All right, welcome back to Crypto Front. This is the front line where we are fighting for financial freedom. Welcome back to a new week, ICP holders. And I know what you're thinking right now. You're looking at my right side of the screen here, and you can see things up 24%, 25%, 18%, 30%. And you're like, why is ICP not moving? Actually, I've been holding this thing for some time, but I'm here to say, according to the things that I've been looking here on the chart, the price could actually start moving as soon as today or tomorrow, right? I'm not saying 2 weeks later or something like that. Like, this is really, really imminent. And unfortunately, I cannot put a timestamp on it, but I think that it's very, very much close here. Now, this is not Hopium. I'm going to show you what really am I talking about. But before we get in the technical analysis, I want to kindly ask you to help me spread the video just by delicately tapping the like button. It really helps the YouTube algorithm. People are giving up on ICP. They're no longer interested, and I think it's the worst time to do that. So yeah, let's spread this video and let people know what really is happening with ICP Internet Computer Protocol. I also want to remind you of this activity that our partners over there at BingX have provided for our community, and if you go ahead and participate in this event, you could actually walk away with $5,450 in terms of bonuses and stuff like that you can be trading, and also 300 ton tokens. I think they are fantastic activities right there. So check the link in the description or something like that. They actually have another one here, which is like a trial fund, $7,100 for that one, right? So let's get back to ICP Internet Computer Protocol, because I know that you're very much excited in knowing what really am I talking about. Is just this clickbait saying that what, something imminent is about to happen here for the ICP price. So you see here we have got like the major resistance that we have right there. Not really to be worried about that, but we have got like a minor one right at this point. If you look, I'm looking at the chart at the 3-daily time frame, and of course we have been analyzing the relative strength index profile for some time here on the channel, and really the conclusion is that if ICP is to go ahead and expand, it has to conquer the 50 mark here on the RSI. That's what it just has to do, right? Other than that, this area around the 50 mark on the 3-daily time frame on ICP has actually coincided with big rejections, right? So you see I actually demarcated one right there, but take a look at this. This was also this rejection here. You see this rejection here. What is it coinciding to? It's coinciding obviously to this local peak, which was being made right around that 50 mark on the RSI here. Again, on the 3-daily time frame, take a look at this. Another rejection. And what is happening? You understand that is happening also at that 50 mark on the RSI here, again on the 3-daily time frame. And then you also take a look at this. So this really has been a pattern that has actually been very much consistent, that if somebody had spotted this earlier on, they would have made a lot of money, right? So that was just in the past. Back then, maybe you guys are there were things happening there, and they are not happening right at this point. But also take a look at this recent rejection that we had right around $10.50 on the 20th of July was because again of the RSI. Look at that, the 50 mark, boom, you close and you go down one more time. Look at this rejection that we had earlier on. This was 22nd of August, and you can see, boom, the 50 mark, you get rejected. Look at this recent rejection that we were getting maybe days ago, 9 September. Again, boom, it's that 50 mark. Now, why really am I talking about all these things? Again, as I mentioned earlier on, if ICP really wants to expand and start moving towards the upside and have this kind of rallies here, you have to break above the 50 mark here on the 3-daily time frame. So this is just one example, right? I mean, take a look at this one. Even the breakout that we were having back then in October 2023, which led to something like 600%, was also because you see the RSI here was really damaging that 50 mark, which was acting as resistance, and then finally we are looking to push towards the upside. So right now, I'm bringing this up because that's exactly where we are with ICP right now. We are really knocking strongly on that 50 mark, and it has been happening for days. I mean, the thing in technical analysis is the more you hit on a support or resistance level is actually the more likely you're going to be successful. So I've been watching this for more than a week right at this point, and really it has been like up, down, up, down, up, down, like that around that 50 mark. I think very, very close. We're going to be seeing some huge breakout that is going to be coming out of ICP. And with that, obviously, we just want to be sitting back, right, and watching the price. We're literally putting our money where our mouth is. We've got a spot position on ICP. But on top of that, we also have got like some short-term trades, right, that we take in the Patreon. And I think I'm going to be opening a very big position on ICP, which I'm going to be announcing in the Patreon. And yeah, we really want to be profiting from this. So this is the big thing that is happening with ICP this week. We're going to be watching the 50 mark on the 3 daily time frame very, very much closely. If we now start to see it going like 52, 53, okay, no problem. Let ICP move and really let the bears get wrecked, right? We'll see about that. But yeah, that's why I'm not really like phased as to why ICP is not really moving like now. I think that, you know, it's something that is going to happen ultimately or eventually, right? But other than that, actually, ICP has partnered, I mean, Definity, the parent company, has partnered with Cambodia's, you know, Ministry of, you know, Technology and stuff like that. Really, probably there isn't anything that is directly going to be bullish on ICP because of this kind of news. But what really it just tells me is that there is actually like real world use cases of ICP internet computer. It's not just, you know, something that is out there in theory, but it's something that can actually be used in real life, and that just gives me, you know, extra confidence on holding ICP. So this is where we are with ICP Internet Computer Protocol. What really are the price targets that we are going to be looking forward to if ICP really manages to crack that 50 mark here on the 3 daily time frame on the RSI? Really, we have to refer to Fibonacci retracement tools. From the very top right there to the bottom, we can see that, you know, right now the price is looking to challenge the $9.40. That's not a good price target to be looking forward to, but I think that eventually, ultimately, we are looking at $11.50. This is the make or break moment as to whether we are going to be getting back into the bullish territory or not. But it's going to be a huge push towards that level there. If we manage to pump something like 40%, claim the $11.50 mark, then from there, I think we can start talking about, you know, expanding even way higher. You guys know that my bullish price target for ICP is around $200, and I think I've explained that like multiple times, showing you even the market cap and stuff like that. We will do it maybe in later videos this week, but that's where we can actually go with ICP. Right at this point, we have got like an immediate obstacle, the 50 mark on the RSI, and on top of that, we are looking at that $11.50 mark. If we clear these ones, I think ICP will have a better chance. So that's where we are sitting right now. Obviously, it's really going to be unfortunate if we get another rejection here on the RSI, because, you know, problem is that we are going to be getting back to something like $6, you know, 20 or something like that, the lows that we were having back then in July. That's really not going to be nice, but can we really do anything about it? Probably not. But I'm leaning much more towards the side of saying that we can do this with ICP. We just need a very strong, you know, kind of a gold candle that breaks this resistance, breaks the 50 mark here, and off the races we go. Just remember, none of what I say is financial advice, and you shouldn't be buying or selling anything because of anything I say, all right? If you like the content, I want to kindly ask you to subscribe, share the video with your friends and family, and see you tomorrow. Bye.